Hello friends, welcome to Wiki Health. How are you? Hope that you are doing well. Today I will share with you another important topic. Our today's topic is baby's first food, the surprising best foods to start with. Is baby ready for solids? Here are the top 8 real and healthy first foods to start your baby on the right foot. Plus 3 common first foods to avoid. Baby's first food. For most of us moms, we can wait till baby is 6 months old to introduce solids. At which point we may give baby pureed apples or avocado. Or go the baby-led weaning route and give baby a few pear slices to gnaw on. Egg yolk. While many parents might pause at introducing a highly allergic food like egg to a 6-month-old baby, new research shows that early introduction is critical to actually reduce the likelihood of food allergies. Start with the egg yolk. Since it is the easiest to digest and contains the most nutrients like choline, great for baby's brain and eyes, and necessary cholesterol, the building block for all hormones. Source: egg yolks also contain important minerals that baby needs right now, like calcium, zinc, selenium, phosphorus, and vitamin Z and B6. To prepare: gently poach or cook egg yolks with a little butter, ghee, or coconut oil on the stovetop. Keep the egg yolk soft and a little runny for easier digestion. Avocado. When it comes to baby's first food, avocado is a great choice. It contains lots of healthy fats, as well as the almighty mineral magnesium, which is so crucial to our health yet is harder to get through food. Avocado also contains B vitamins, including niacin, vitamin E, vitamin K, potassium, folate, and fiber. Blended red meat. Why red meat? It is one of the only foods high in 3 key nutrients that babies can be deficient in: iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. Keep in mind that breast milk is low in iron, unlike formula. So baby must get it through her diet. But plant sources of iron are difficult to convert to a usable form, especially in a baby as immature. Banana. Some people believe that baby's first foods shouldn't include any fruit, because baby show a preference for the sweetness. Truth is, baby already has a preference for sweetness, thanks to breast milk. Don't worry about baby becoming a sugar bug because of fruit. Bananas are a great first carbohydrate source for babies, because they contain amylase, an enzyme necessary for the digestion of carbohydrates. Like bananas, bananas are also a great source of vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, magnesium, and potassium. To prepare: serve very ripe bananas with brown spots. The starch has converted to a simple sugar, making it easier to digest. Peel and cut in half for self-feeders, or mash up with a little avocado or breast milk. Winter squash. Another easy to digest carbohydrate is well-cooked winter squash, that is acorn, butternut, and due to its low nitrate content, it is a safe first food for baby. Squash is also high in vitamin A, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, and manganese. Green peas. If you want to introduce baby to green foods, start with green peas, which are high in resistant starch. Just as it sounds. This means they are resistant to digestion, and pass through the stomach and small intestine into the large intestine, where it feeds good gut bacteria. You may be surprised to learn that this small legume contains a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Just half cup of peas has 4 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, 34% of your daily value of vitamin A, and 34% of your daily value of vitamin K, a nutrient that can be particularly low in babies. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, then like this and share with your lovely friends who love this. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.